While starting the purifier, the current in the ammeter is showing low. What could be the possible reasons? Possible reasons for low ammeter reading. Friction clutch slippage or failure. This is the most common mechanical cause. The motor is spinning at full speed, but the power is not being transmitted to the ball. Worn friction pads. If the pads are worn out, they won't grip the drum. The motor spins lightly because it isn't actually rotating the heavy ball. Oily pads. If oil has leaked into the clutch housing, the pads will slip, resulting in no load on the motor. Broken drive belt or damaged gears. If the transmission link is broken, the motor is disconnected from the ball assembly. Belt drive. If the belt has snapped or slipped off, the motor is spinning freely, no load current. Worm gear failure. If the teeth on the worm gear or worm wheel are stripped, the motor spins without turning the vertical spindle. Motor single phasing. While single phasing usually causes high current and tripping, a fault in the current transformer or the ammeter circuit itself can cause a false low reading. Loose connections. If the wiring to the ammeter or the CT is loose, it may show a lower value than the actual current. Faulty ammeter. The gauge itself might be stuck or out of calibration. Ball not reaching rated RPM. If the ball is not being picked up by the motor due to the reasons above, the motor never experiences the inertia of the ball, keeping the current low. Direct Viva answer. Sir, if the ammeter shows a low current while starting the purifier, it generally means the motor is running in a no-load condition. The possible reasons are friction clutch issues. The friction pads may be worn out or contaminated with oil, causing them to slip. This prevents the motor from engaging the heavy ball. Transmission failure. The drive belt might have snapped, or the worm gear teeth could be stripped, meaning the motor is spinning freely without turning the vertical spindle. Electrical fault. There could be a fault in the ammeter itself or a loose connection in the current transformer circuit, providing a false low reading. Incorrect assembly. If the ball was not assembled correctly, the spindle might not be properly engaged with the drive.